Hello Smartz, my name is Sophia and welcome to our YouTube channel where we speak about all the latest news and events of our project. We are happy to present you the new release of our platform. And a major update is a completely new feature that the development team has been working on for the last few months. We released a new design of the smart contract management page. So now the DApp use became even easier as well as more convenient. Thanks to the user-friendly interface containing all data statements and functional control panel that are always at hand, we believe it will reach a new level of UX. You must try it and believe me, you will like it. Now we have something for the fans to argue. Now you can bet on blockchain using a special smart contract which we recently uploaded to the platform. All you need is to find an opponent, an arbiter, and make a bet. And all the remaining magic will occur within the code. More detailed description to this contract you can find in the description to the video. Smartz platform has been added to Product Hunt listing. Product Hunt surfaces the best new products every day. It's a place for product-loving enthusiasts to share and geek out about the latest mobile apps, websites, hardware projects and tech creations. And please note that your support is always appreciated. So we try to think over on how smart contracts change such spheres as gambling and insurance. How can such issues as commissions and over-regulation and slow payouts along with mediation be resolved? All our thoughts you can find in our Medium articles and the link is right in the description. And also I insist on you reading our article about the Merkle airdrop. It's a recently released smart contract constructor on Smartz platform. And there you will also find a video on how to launch this type of smart contract on the platform. Finally, for those who have been following our project for a while already, we continue to acquaint them with the members of our team. This time we interviewed the CFO of Smartz, Serge Nikitin, who talked about how he became a blockchain fan after more than 15 years of career in banking and fintech. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thumbs up if you really liked it, which you did like, and be smart!